Hi there, I'm the princess, and this is Viper. Are you ready to go? Select with your DVD remote if you want to go to the menu, or if you want to go there. Wait a moment, and I'll play it for you. Be sure to ask an adult if you need help. Oh, yay. Alright. Okay. Enjoy. Abraham Lincoln and Benny at your service. Hey, you kids, do you want to go on adventures to fight people underwater, the desert, the South Colorado, and all these stuff? Okay, I think we're... Alright, let's get in these cars. We'll find the skeleton at South Colorado for $20. Oh, here we go. Oh, you're joking me, right? Come on, let's go. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna be so great. Oh, hello there. Oh, yay, it's a better day outside. Now let's go. Now make you. I'm gonna send to Halloween Town. Alright, Skeleton, talk to you later. Yeah. If you want to watch you on Kazoo, click the link in the description below. Remember the rules on you on Kazoo. Run, jump, or dance while playing the Kazoo. Have fun. Go forth and explore. Bye. And that's the end. Happy Halloween.